What's going on, everybody? We're here at TNT Tinting, the Kopaka location, because JDM Hawaii and TNT is teaming up and tinting my truck, my K truck that we're giving away in a couple of weeks. So if you haven't gone down to JDM Hawaii to test drive a car so that you can be entered to win my K truck, you better go do them, because now, man, you're gonna have a beautiful truck already tinted from TNT. Let's go see Kyle and the gang and see what they did. Oh, brother, look at this. Kyle, come on. What's going on? Tell me about the tint.
Got our Pinnacle ceramic, 35% tint on the roll-ups.
Yeah?
Looking nice and cool right there. We got the front windshield. We got the front strip on the top.
See,
The back window too.
I'm jealous now. We teamed up with TNT to give this mean green machine away, you know, when I should have been driving it months. But no, Slater wants me to give my car away. So somebody can win the mean green machine now tinted by TNT.
Brand new tint.
Okay? So all you have to do is go down to JDM, test drive any of those vehicles, and then you'll get access to keys. And then we're gonna pull five, and one person can win this bad boy. Yeah, you don't have to worry about tinting, because TNT already took care of it.